Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Woman Refuses to Get Out the Car, Ends Terribly by Body Cam Lockdown.
Do not voluntarily step out like I'm asking you to.
I swear to God, do not open my door. Don't open my door.
Yeah, she a step dyke. She don't fuck around.
I'm a girl.
Oh, now you want to be a girl.
This officer clocks a woman traveling at 97 miles, 27 miles
Damn.
over the speed limit. He attempts to write her a simple speeding ticket, but she mentions one critical detail that changes the direction of this encounter.
What is that?
Jefferson Police Department. Good. The reason I stopped you today, I got you at 97 miles an hour. It's a 70. We're going entirely too fast.
Yeah, I got you.
Y'all from Rush?
Yeah, you don't got him because you not supposed to go over, what, 15 miles over the speed limit? Yeah, you going to jail.
Carolina? Yeah. Who's this vehicle registered to?
Me.
You? Okay. All right, sit tight for me.
She smiling like she finna just get a ticket. It's not finna go down like that.
Hey, y'all got registration on this vehicle?
Hell no. She about to be singing, Mama, I love you. P.O.P. Hold it down. Is the car stolen? Ooh, I hate being on the freeway like this with cars just zooming by at 60 miles per hour. What the hell? That's an H&R block paper?
I gotta go get the new one that my insurance company sent my check back, so I gotta get new insurance because I don't know, they just canceled.
Insurance? What?
Okay. All right, sit tight for me. Do you have your proof of insurance?
No, I just told you. They sent the check back, but I can show you like where
You don't got insurance.
where I did it, and then they sent the check back.
Why she smiling
But
with
you
them
can
high
just write
cheekbones?
Not having no insurance because I don't have none actively as of now.
Bingo.
You don't?
Yeah, actively as of now.
Okay.
But they sent the check back, like it was their fault, their mishap.
Okay. Without insurance, I can't let this vehicle back on the road.
Why?
Because I can't. Because it is a liability.
Okay, so what we gonna do?
So you can...
I gotta go home.
I know. I'll give you the same opportunity that I give everybody. You can get some insurance here on the side of the road, or I can tow the car. And I hate towing people's cars, so I'm going to hope you can get some insurance. It's too much of a liability to let the vehicle back on the road, because if I knowingly let you back on the road without insurance and you hit somebody or somebody hits you, then that's on me because I allowed the vehicle back on the roadway.
Hello.
At this moment, the officer checks the back seat and notices something's missing.
What is
That
that?
bottle that was sitting right here.
He got rid of it.
Where'd it go?
You can, regardless of where it went, you could blow me. I'm not drinking.
No, I'm not asking that.
Blow. Whoa, pause. Whoa, you can't say shit like that.
Where's the bottle at?
I don't know.
Unsatisfied with her answer, he gives someone a call and takes the simple traffic stop in an entirely different direction.
I bet he does.
Danny, you about done? Come on up here. I got one with an attitude. We're going to PC search it.
Hello. Look, he can't wait.
I got 3 occupants and the driver's got an attitude. 97 at 1574. Get on northbound.
He said coming in hot.
137, and I'm right here. Not the day to pop an attitude.
Uh-oh. Know what happened when them gloves come on? Somebody's getting their salad toast tonight.
I got her at 97. Good God. I mean, out here, that's an average night. I've got odor. I had a half bottle of
Probable cause.
what appeared to be tequila on the back seat that magically disappeared from me going back to my car and coming back up. I got a male. I believe it's a male in the back passenger up in the front. She just started popping off with an attitude in the driver's seat, and she just voluntarily told me. I asked if she had proof of insurance.
She said nope.
And she said, no, I just told you. They sent back my check. It doesn't have insurance right now. I was like, okay.
I ain't never seen no insurance send back shit when it comes to money. Something ain't right.
Well, I can't legally allow the vehicle back on the road. And she started mouthing off more. So I've got open container somewhere in the vehicle that I had in plain view. I got PC all day long with odor. Yeah. Ashtray in the center. So they finna come out. We're about to go through that car.
Lego.
Watch that back passenger. Just eyes on that back. Hey, can you put your... Never mind, he's asleep. Hey, go ahead and do me a favor. Step out of the car for me. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I have the right to ask them.
Yes, you do, and I will tell you as soon as you step out of the car.
I have to ask before I step
Okay,
out. Just
let me
to
explain
make sure.
what's going to happen. If you do not voluntarily step out like I'm asking you to,
I'm just making sure, like, what we stepping out for.
it's cool. Step out of the vehicle.
I'm asking.
Step out of the vehicle or I'm going to force you
If you do not listen to the cops, it's gonna go badly, babe.
out of the
If you
vehicle.
do, and you will get sued, because what
Okay,
did
that's
you
fine.
step? You have,
That's
you
fine.
have to tell me what we stepping out for.
Hey, bud, put your hands on your lap for me. Put your hands on your lap. I can see his other hand. I can see it. Yeah.
What we stepping out for?
Nothing on this side.
You have to tell me why we stepping out. Now I'm finna start recording. 'Cause you touch me, I swear to God. Do not open my door. Don't open my door. Don't open.
What you gonna do? That's a grown ass man. You a puppy.
Do not open my door. Do not open my. If you break my car, you're gonna see about this, bro.
Uh-oh.
You have to tell me. Stop touching me. Do not touch me.
You are not complying. What the hell? Is she kicking?
Can you get her seatbelt? Cut it.
What? Record this shit, cause I'm
Cut that shit.
I'm telling
If you don't be stupid like that.
taking me out for no reason. They haven't told me why they took me out.
She ain't gonna tell you shit.
Oh.
Get out the car. Cut it.
No, you don't.
Ooh.
That's not how shit works. Oh, well, fucking shit. Oh, we not have no insurance. Please, oh, we not have no insurance.
It's more than just having insurance, babe. You rolled down the window and it smelled like you know what. Come on now. What you thought was gonna happen?
Please, cause I'm telling you, y'all gonna pay for all. Let go of my leg. How the fuck I'm supposed to get out if you got my
Get out of the car!
Is she kicking?
What the fuck wrong with y'all?
Get out of the car! Right now!
Man, I'm telling you.
Turn around, put your hands.
Is she trying to put her hands? Oh. Why is it so hard to just listen and just get out the car, bro? I don't be understanding this shit. Call your people for what?
Just keep your hands right where they are.
Issue, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead, cause y'all ain't tell me why I got this.
Oh,
You see that? You see that?
you keep moving. What do you expect to happen?
Maybe cooperate a little bit.
I'm not doing shit. I'm not
Get her
doing
back there
nothing.
so I can see this passenger.
You see that? Come on. No, I'm not. I'm not doing it. They just dragged me up. I'm telling you. Flip that out.
Hey, what do these videos when everybody pull out their camera to like show? What does this shit do for them? Like, does it drop the charge or something? Cause everybody always pulling out their camera phones and shit.
You going down, big dog?
And your card, okay?
I'm not recording. Get their name and badge.
And boss, just keep your hands right where you got them, okay?
Stop moving.
See, yo, one partner, he listening. The other one, he listening in the back.
What's wrong with you?
Come on, thug, nasty thug.
Negative.
It's crazy though. She talk about I'm a girl. Oh, now you want to be a girl when it's convenient.
And I'm going to be out. What's wrong with y'all? I'm going to jail for that. Wait, come on. Y'all on some weird shit.
You checked her?
Y'all can't touch me. I'm a girl.
See, only want to be a man when it's convenient for you, but you want to be a girl in other situations.
3865. You can't touch me. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. You touch me. I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket?
I'm a girl. You touch me. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. I don't have no weapons. And you all in my pocket. Oh, he touched me.
Oh,
You know, I'm a girl. You're not
what
even
is
supposed to be
that?
in my pockets.
They're like
You're not
keys.
supposed to be on me.
All right, swap sides. Swap sides with me.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl. We just be like I'm a girl. And he over here touching me all in my pockets and shit.
Why the dude they acting super chill, but she just want to be on 10? Like, what's she trying to prove?
Pulling my pants and shit.
good.
I'm a girl.
She goes back of my car. I went double lock.
That's weird. All because I didn't have no. All because no what's name. They didn't tell me nothing. I don't even know why I'm going to jail. They didn't even say that. They didn't say none of that. Hey, drip been open the whole fucking time, cuz. Call my mama drip. Her name Nikita in my phone.
Drip. Not from Cut Your Wings, kid. That cold weather make you breathe hard than a motherfucker.
That was the sergeant. Back her up a little bit. Back her up a little bit. Pull her back. Let me get this seatbelt.
Like y'all doing the
Let me be a gentleman. That's pretty much what he said. Let me be a gentleman and get that.
both of y'all weigh 10 times more than me. And he got all that on record. We gonna definitely cause an issue. I'm definitely causing an issue. And I'm a veteran. We're gonna definitely cause a fucking issue.
Why, if you a veteran, why the fuck are you acting like a goddamn imbecile? Like you an 18-year-old or something that just got out of juvenile. If you a veteran.
Okay.
Yep.
These veterans kill me, boy.
He gonna cause an issue because he got all that on record. Y'all weak as for trying a girl like that. Weak as real talk.
Okay.
Weak as
Okay.
How about next time you listen, you won't have this issue.
I guess she got pulled over. She didn't have insurance.
Let me swap gloves real quick.
In the end, Mrs. McNair was charged with speeding as well as 3 counts of resisting arrest and obstruction on a law enforcement officer.
Damn.
What is obstructing a law enforcement officer? Well, it falls under 3 categories that all must be true. Number 1, the officer was lawfully performing a legal duty. Number 2, the defendant knew the person was an officer. And number 3, the defendant willfully resisted, obstructed, or opposed the officer. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And also don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. As it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.